Hello children, I am here with another video, and this is the third video of the chapter Sports and Nutrition. So let's start. Micronutrients. These are required in a small proportion in our diet. They are considered as supplement food, and these are useful in normal functioning of the body. The components of micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are complex compounds of carbon. Vitamins are required in very small amount to keep our body healthy. They are important for metabolism of fats and carbohydrates. Vitamins are divided into two groups: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. Water soluble vitamins are B and C. So first one, fat soluble vitamins. These are easily soluble in water. They come into our body through fats and they are stored in liver and fatty tissues. Vitamin A. This vitamin is also known as retinol. This is needed for normal growth and development of eyes and skin. Deficiency of this vitamin causes night blindness. What are the sources of this vitamin? Milk, butter, egg, carrot, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables, etc. Vitamin D. This vitamin is important for formation of strong bones and teeth. It is also called sunshine vitamin. Deficiency of this vitamin causes rickets, in which the bones of children are deformed. The main source of this vitamin is sunlight. Some other sources are milk, butter, green leafy vegetables, etc. Next is vitamin E. This vitamin is important to protect the cell membrane and acts as an antioxidant. Sources of vitamin E: whole seed grains, turmeric, nuts, etc. Vitamin K. This vitamin helps in blood clotting and heals wounds. Its sources are cabbage, cauliflower, cereals, soya beans, green leafy vegetables, etc. Water soluble vitamins. These vitamins are soluble in water. They are not stored in body and these can be destroyed by heat. Components of water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin B. It is also known as vitamin B complex. It consists of 8 soluble vitamins that play important roles in cell metabolism. So first one is vitamin B1. It is also known as thiamine. It helps proper growth and development of the body. Next one is riboflavin. Vitamin B2. It is also known as riboflavin. This vitamin is yellow in color. It is usually destroyed in sunlight. Next is vitamin B3. It is also known as niacin. This vitamin helps in the growth of body and deficiency of this vitamin causes gray hair. Vitamin B12. This vitamin helps nervous system and metabolism and energy transfer for growth. Deficiency of this vitamin causes beriberi, in which the person has weak muscles and poor coordination. Vitamin B7. Its chemical name is biotin and its deficiency may lead impaired growth, depression, muscle strain, etc. What are the sources of vitamin B? milk, egg, meat, grains, cereals, vegetables, beans, etc. Vitamin C. This vitamin is also named as ascorbic acid. It is required for maintenance of ligaments, tendons, capillaries, walls, and delicate lining of mouth and germs. Deficiency of this vitamin causes scurvy, in which gums bleed. Sources of vitamin C: lemon, orange, amla, tomatoes, vegetables, etc. Minerals. They are needed in small quantities, but they are very essential for proper growth and development of the body. About 4% of our body weight is made up of minerals. Minerals are required for healthy teeth, bones, and muscles. Minerals are divided into two parts: macro minerals and micro minerals. So, first one is macro minerals. The components of macro minerals are calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Calcium. It makes the teeth and bones strong. It helps in blood clotting. Sources of calcium are milk, orange juice, cheese, eggs, green leafy vegetables, cereals. Potassium. It is helpful in keeping the nervous system and muscular system fit and active all the time. It helps in maintaining the amount of water in blood and tissues. The sources of potassium are banana, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables, peanuts, beans, etc. Sodium. It helps in muscular activities. It also helps in the transmission of nerve impulses. Sources of sodium are salt, pickles, butter, etc. Magnesium. It repairs and maintains body cells. Sources of magnesium are meat, brown rice, beans, whole grains, etc. Next one is phosphorus. It helps in the formation of bones and teeth. It keeps the muscles and nerve activities normal. Sources of phosphorus are egg, fish, milk, unpolished rice, etc. Iodine. It helps in the production of hormones in the thyroid glands. It is also helpful in the production of growth and development of the body. Due to lack of iodine can cause goiter and mental retardation. The sources of iodine are iodized salt, fish, seafood, etc. Iron. It is essential in the formation of hemoglobin. Its deficiency causes anemia. Sources: meat, egg, dry fruits, banana, green leafy vegetables, etc. Chromium. It stimulates insulin activity. Its deficiency may cause diabetes. The sources of chromium are soybean, black gram, carrot, tomatoes, etc. Copper. It only helps iron in the formation of hemoglobin.